Oh yes, I know, I'm amazing. That was cool. And hello everyone, my name is Jürgen Günther Schwarzenhafenstassen. And today I will show you how to play this game. Check this shit. And now pick up your keyboard like this. When I shred, I use the whole keyboard. But since you suck, you will only need these 5 frets and the big button. However, the most important is the escape button. You will need it when you finally realize that you suck. Big time. To me, that is already obvious. Okay, there comes your first note. You can already hold down the first fret, but don't pick it yet! You missed it. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, wait for it. Wait. No! Wait for it. Wait for it. Now, hold down 2 frets. Now you missed it. And now, try this super easy lick. And up to my tempo. Don't try this or you just hurt yourself. Okay, that was about 4 billion notes per second. If I played that any faster, your mind would just blow up. Okay, that is it for now. You can now go and sell your keyboards on eBay. Because you suck. And remember one thing. I am your new god, little girls.